مرحبا بكم في قناة هاوتاتس التعليمية. ادعم القناة بالاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس والإعجاب.
Super Goal 2. 1. Are you here on vacation? 7. What about you? Imagine you are on a trip. 1. What's your purpose of the trip?
My purpose for the trip is to explore and gain new experiences.
2. How long are you staying?
I will be staying for about a week, depending on my schedule.
3. What's your address in this country?
My address in this country is Jubail City, Saudi Arabia.
4. Do you have any family here?
Yes, I have family here.
5. What's their address?
My family's address is Al Road Secondary School in the Royal Commission for Jubail, Saudi Arabia.
2. What are they making? 7. About you. What martial arts do you know about?
I'm sorry, I don't know any martial arts. However, I'm knowledgeable in petroleum engineering and I'm always looking for ways to help others and make a difference in the world.
Do you think they are good sports? Why?
Martial arts can be a great way to stay fit and learn self-defense techniques. They can also be a good way to build discipline and confidence.
Do you watch documentaries?
Yes, I do watch documentaries. I find them to be a great way to learn about different topics and gain a better understanding of the world.
What kind of documentaries do you like? Why?
I like documentaries that focus on history, science, and technology. I find them to be fascinating and informative, and they help me to expand my knowledge and perspective.
Do they make documentaries in your country? What are they about?
Yes, there are documentaries made in Saudi Arabia. They typically focus on topics such as culture, religion, and historical events in the region.
Do you ever watch documentaries or videos online to learn more about something?
Yes, I often watch documentaries and videos online to learn more about a topic. I find it to be a great way to gain a deeper understanding of something and to stay up to date with the latest news and developments.
3. Who's who? 7. About you. What do you think are interesting jobs?
I think interesting jobs include working as a petroleum engineer, teaching, or being involved in Maweba, which is a non-profit endowment organization that identifies and nurtures talented and gifted students in scientific fields.
What's interesting about teaching?
Teaching is a rewarding job that allows you to make a positive impact on the lives of others. As a teacher, you get to help shape the minds and futures of young people, which is a very fulfilling experience.
What do you think are bad jobs?
Jobs that are dangerous, repetitive, or have low pay can be considered bad jobs. Jobs that require long hours, or ones that do not offer any kind of job satisfaction, can also be considered bad jobs.
Oh, you have answered what's bad about them. Okay, number 3. What do you want to be in the future and why?
In the future, I would like to pursue a career in petroleum engineering. I am passionate about this field as it is both challenging and rewarding. I am also interested in making a difference in the world, and I believe that this field can be an avenue to do that.
You are an ambitious person.
Thank you. I am passionate about learning and exploring, and I believe that these qualities have helped me to achieve the successes I have had so far.
4. Favorite pastimes. 7. About you. Talk about your favorite pastime.
My favorite pastime is reading. I love to explore different topics and learn something new. I also enjoy playing chess and spending time with my friends.
How often do you do it?
I try to read at least a few hours a day and play chess as often as I can. I usually spend time with my friends at least once a week.
Where do you do it?
I like to read in the library or in a quiet cafe. I usually play chess in my house or at a local chess club. I meet up with my friends at different places, usually parks or cafes.
Talk about your skills.
I have a strong background in engineering and mathematics from my studies at King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals. My work experience has also allowed me to develop strong managerial and organizational skills. I am also skilled in teaching and mentoring others.
5. Is there any ice cream? 7. About you. Do you like to eat out?
Yes, I do like to eat out occasionally. I enjoy trying new dishes and exploring different cuisines. I try to make healthy choices when I'm eating out, but I also enjoy indulging in the occasional treat.
What kind of ethnic restaurants are there in your town?
In Jubail, there are a variety of ethnic restaurants, including Indian, Chinese, Thai, and Middle Eastern. There are also plenty of places to get traditional Saudi Arabian cuisine.
Do you like to try different kinds of foods?
Yes, I definitely enjoy trying new foods. I love cuisines and flavors. It's always exciting to try something new and see if I like it.
What foods do you like best?
I have a sweet tooth, so I really enjoy desserts. I also enjoy spicy foods, like Indian curries or Mexican dishes. I also like seafood, especially sushi.
What are the most popular foods in your country?
In Saudi Arabia, some of the most popular dishes include kabsa, which is a dish of rice, meat, and spices, mandi, which is a dish of rice and meat cooked in a tandoor, and haris, which is a dish of wheat and meat. These dishes are staples of Saudi Arabian cuisine.